Today I'm going to teach you how to apply for data entry jobs on Upwork. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to upwork.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can start searching for available jobs. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see the search bar. Click on it and type in data entry. After you've entered that, hit enter on your keyboard. This will pull up all the data entry related job postings that are currently available on the platform, giving you a wide range of opportunities to browse through. You'll now see a list of results displayed on your screen. These are all the active data entry job postings that match your search. Take your time to scroll through the listings and read through the job descriptions to find one that fits your skills and interests. Each posting will show you details like the job requirements, budget, and what the client is looking for. Look for posts that align with what you're comfortable doing and what matches your experience level. Once you've found a job post that interests you, click on it to open the full details. This will give you a more complete view of what the client needs, including any specific instructions, deadlines, or qualifications they're looking for. Make sure you read everything carefully so you understand exactly what's expected before you apply. After reviewing the job posting, look over to the right panel of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Connect. Click on this button to start the application process. This is the standard way Upwork allows freelancers to submit proposals for jobs. However, keep in mind that you need connects in order to apply. Connects are Upwork's currency for submitting proposals, and each job application costs a certain number of connects depending on the posting. If you don't have enough connects available, you'll need to purchase more or wait until your monthly allocation refreshes before you can proceed with your application. And that's it. You've now learned how to search for and apply to data entry jobs on Upwork. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.